Good morning, my dear students. In the previous class, we discussed some problems. Now, another problem. If a plus b equal to 7, ab equal to 12, then AQ plus BQ equal to dash. If A plus B equal to 7, A plus B equal to 7, AB equal to 12, then we have to find AQ plus BQ. Okay, we know that we have a formula A plus B whole cube formula. What is the A plus B whole cube formula? We know that A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. We know that. This is the formula we have. A plus B whole cube equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB into A plus B. Now, I need only what is asked here, A cube plus B. By the transpositions, A cube plus B cube, I need only A cube plus B cube. I don't need plus 3AB into A plus B. By the transposition, A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B. Am I right? So the form is transfers as per your convenience. A cube plus B cube. I need A cube plus B cube only. So plus 3AB into A plus B minus becomes minus 3AB into A plus B. It is transposed. Okay. A plus B value is given. How much? 7. Okay. And 3. What is the AB value is given? 12. Okay. What is the A plus B value is given? 7. Okay. 7 3 is 7 cube. 7 7 is 49. 49 into 7. 7 9 is 63. And 7 4 is 28. 28 plus 6. 343. 343 minus 3 12 are 36. 36 into 7. 7 6 are 42. 7 3 are 21 plus 5. 21 plus 4 25. 25. And 343 minus 252 equal to 1. This is 1491. Okay, 91. Okay, if A plus B equal to 7, AB value, A plus B value is given and AB value is given, we have to find A cube plus B cube value. A plus B whole cube formula, we have A cube plus B cube plus 3AB to A plus B. Okay, I need what is asked here, A cube plus B cube. So by the transposition, A cube plus B cube, I need plus 3AB into A plus B is transposed, then minus 3AB. Transfer to here, A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B. Now value substitute. So what is the answer? 91. Okay, next one. Okay, and next one, if x minus 1 by x equal to 4, then x cube minus 1 by x cube equal to question mark. Only here x minus 1 by x value is given. X cube minus 1 by x cube value we have to find. Okay. We have a x minus 1 by x whole cube formula. That means x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3 into x minus 1 by x. We have a formula. Okay. X minus 1 by x whole cube formula. X cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3 into x minus 1 by x. X minus 1 by x. So what we have to need here? X cube minus 1 by x. In formula we have x cube minus 1 by x cube here. So we don't need this term. We don't need this term. So it is transpose. It is transpose. Like so, what we have to need? X cube minus 1 by x cube we need. Okay. By the transposition, x minus 1 by x whole cube. This minus value becomes plus value by the transposition. 3 into x minus 1 by x. Am I right? Okay. I need only this value x cube minus 1 by x cube. What is osmotic problem? So I don't need this term. So it is transposed to LHS. It becomes A equal to B. We know B equal to A. Okay. Now substitute the values. What is the value of x minus 1 by x value? 4. 4 cube plus 3. What is the value of x minus 1 by x value? 4. Okay, 4 cube, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 plus 3 4s are 12, that means 76. What is the answer? 76. Okay, if this is another problem, if x minus 1 by x equal to 4, then x cube minus 1 by x cube what? X minus 1 by x cube whole cube equal to x cube. What is the, so I am taking only formula here. Already you learned in previous class. X minus 1 by x whole cube equal to x cube minus 1 by x cube minus 3 into x minus 1 by x. I need this one. So by the transposition, then we have to substitute the values of the given values, and the 76 is the answer. Okay. Now, another one. Just we have a formula. Now, one problem. 2a plus 3b plus 4c. Last problem. Whole square. Find. Equal to dash. This is the problem. 2a plus 3b plus 4c whole square equal to dash. This is the problem. Okay, you have a formula a plus b plus c whole square. What is the formula we have? A plus b plus c whole square formula. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab into 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, or otherwise a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, and this is the formula we have already we learned in the previous class. And represent the values, so same formula we have to use here. Okay, 2a plus 3b plus 4c all square equal to, here a means 2a, b means 3b, 4c means 4c. Okay, 2a whole square, a means 2a, b means 3b, 3b all square plus c means 4c, 4c all square plus 2 into okay, ab means 2a into, okay, take square bracket, 2a into 3b plus bc 3b into 4c plus ca 4c into 2a. Okay, now a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, this is 2a whole square means 4a square plus 9b square, 4c whole square means 16c square plus 2 into square bracket, 2 3 are 6, a into b 6ab plus 3 4s are 12, 12bc plus 4 2s are 8ac. This is, and 4a square plus 9b square plus 16c square equal to 2 6 are 12ab, 2 12s are 24bc, 2 8s are 16ac. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, what is asked? 2a plus 3b plus 4c whole square how much? Here a plus b plus c whole square means a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2b plus 2ca. So otherwise a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc, ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, now substitute all these values in the required formula, and this is the expanding form of 2a plus 3b plus 4c whole square. Okay, this is the problem. Now next problem. Okay, here some more problems are there. We have to practice at your home. If you have any doubt, ask me. And I want to go for hand sheet 5. Hand sheet 5, first problem. Hand sheet 5. What is the first problem here? HCF of x cube minus 8 x square minus 4 x square plus 4x plus 4. Okay, I think you have a experience of HCF in your lower class. I think lower class means 6th class or 7th class. So, for example, just keep out the problem. Just x square 3x and 4xy. Now, HCF of, just example for the clarification. Okay, x square is written x into x, we know that. 3x is written as 3 into x. 4xy is written as 4 into x into y. Okay? Okay? X square is written x into x. 3x is written as 3 into x. 4xy is written 4 into x into y. Okay? After the expanding, so just observe what is the round of the common terms or common expression, common terms. X, here x, here x. Is there anyone common other than x? Other than x? No, only common one is x. So HCF is x. HCF is x. So we have to take the common part in all the expressions, all the terms. X square is one of the term, 3x is one of the term, 4xy is another term. So in 3 terms, x is the common part or common one. So HCF is x. So we have some idea by the problem. So already we have discussed in lower classes, like, so we have to calculate HCF like this. So x square is written x into x, 3x is written as 3 into x, 4xy is written 4 into x into y. So what is the common one here? X. So HCF of x square, 3x, 4xy is x. Okay, this is the example problem for the clarification. Now come to the problem. Okay, how many terms are there here? 3 terms. X cube minus 8. It is written as x cube minus 2 cube. X cube minus 2 cube. That means a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube formula we have already learned. A cube minus b cube. A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. That means a minus b, x minus 2 into a square. A cube minus b cube formula what? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay? A minus b. A means x, b means 2. A square means x square plus ab means 2x plus b square means 4. B square means 4. This is the expression we have. Okay. Now another one. X square. Okay. X square minus 4. It is written as x square minus 2 square. Okay. How can you write? This is 4 written as 2 square. A square minus b square. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. That's why x minus 2 into x plus 2. And last one. X square plus 4x plus 4. X square plus x square plus 4x plus 4. It is okay, we know that. How can you write? X square 2 into 2x, 2 into ab plus b square. X square plus 4x plus 4, it square. X plus 2 whole square. That means x plus 2 into x plus 2. X plus 2 into x plus 2. Okay. X square plus 4x plus 4 is written as x square. 2 2s are 4. 4 into x 4x plus 2 square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. It is written as x plus 2 whole square. X plus 2 whole square means x plus 2 into x plus 2. Okay. X cube minus 8 is written as x cube minus 2 cube. It is formula a cube minus b cube. That means formula a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now x square minus 4. It is written as x square minus 2 square, a square minus b square. Formula a plus b into a minus b. A minus b into a plus b. Okay. X square plus 4x plus 4 is written as x plus 2 whole square. X plus 2 whole square means a square means x square. 2ab, 2ab, 2 2s are 4, 4 into x, 4x plus b square, 2 square means 4. Okay. And x square plus 4x plus 4 is written as x plus 2 into x plus 2. Okay. Next, coming to the point. ACF means we have to take common part of every expression. X minus 2. Here is there. Check it out. Here x minus 2. Here is there. In third one, no. Here x minus 2 is there. In second one, x minus 2 is there. In third one, there is no. Okay. X plus 2 is there in third one. Here also x plus 2. But here there is no x plus 2. There is no. So this is not we cannot write a plus b whole square. So x square plus 2x plus 4. So there is no common term. If there is no common term in the given expression, the ACF is 1. The ACF is 1. Okay. We have to write into 1, into 1, into 1. What is the common one? Common 1. So you can think like that. Okay. ACF of x cube minus 8, comma, x square minus, okay. So SCF equal to 1. Why? Because there are no common part. There are no common expression. No common term or no common expression and no common part. So if there are no common part, the SCF of the given expressions is 1. Okay, coming to the root. Okay, for example, 3, 7. 3, 7. What is the SCF of 3, 7? 1. Why? Because 3 is written as 1 into 3. 7 is written as 1 into 7. What is the common one? 1. So 1 is the SCF of 3, 7. That's why SCF of the given expression is 1. So SCF of x cube minus 8, comma, x square minus 4, comma, x square plus 4x plus 4 is 1. Note. Okay. Okay, now second problem. If x minus a, keep in bracket, x minus a is the SCF of px square plus qx plus 1 and lx square plus mx plus 1, then the value of a is, okay, if x minus a is the SCF of px square plus qx plus 1 and lx square plus mx plus 1, okay, SCF means, so we have to take given SCF is the given problem, the given SCF equal to x minus a, okay, then x minus a equal to 0, then x equal to x minus a equal to 0, then x equal to implies x equal to a. The given SCF is the given SCF equal to x minus a. X minus a equal to 0, then x equal to a. So in that expressions we have to take a in the instead of x. So both are SCF is the common factor is x minus a is the common factor of both quadratic expressions. We have to take like p of x square plus p of x plus 1 p of x px square plus qx plus 1 equal to lx square plus mx plus 1, okay, plus 1 both are cancelled. In the place of x we have to substitute a pa square plus qa equal to la square plus ma, okay, and pa square minus la square equal to ma minus qa, a square equal to p minus l, here a square is the common one, here a is the common one, m minus q, and a cancel in a square one time, then a into p minus l equal to m minus q, then a equal to m minus q by p minus l. Right. A into p minus l equal to m. A cancel a square one time, a is the remaining one. Then a equal to m minus q by p minus l. So a equal to m minus q by bracket m minus q by p minus l. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, x minus a is the SCF of px square plus qx plus 1 and lx square plus mx plus 1, then the value of a. So if x minus a is the common factor SCF of the given expressions, we have to take x minus a. First of all, we have to take x minus a equal to 0. X value should satisfy the given expression, thus we have to equal the both expressions, like px square plus qx plus 1 equal to lx square plus mx plus 1. So in the place of x we have to substitute a. After substituting plus 1 same signs, now both LHS and same signs, LHS and RHS we can cancel. Plus 1 both are cancelled. PA square plus QA equal to LA square plus MA. And by the transposition, PA square minus LA square becomes minus LA square equal to MA plus QA becomes QA. Here A square is the common one. After taking A square is the common, P minus L. Here A cancelling S to one time is the remaining A. Okay, now A equal to M minus Q by P minus L. A equal to M minus Q by P minus L. This is the answer. Okay, let's know. Okay, next problem. Third problem. Factors of x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 5x square minus 4x plus 4 are. Okay. So here ask factors of x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 5x square minus 4x plus 4. Okay, take the expressions x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 5x square minus 4x plus 4. Okay, so x cube minus 4x cube plus 5x square minus 4x plus 4. So I want to make some arrangement, like write x plus 4 as this minus 4 x cube, write as this plus 5x square is written as I am like 4x square plus x square. 4x square plus x square is 5x square. Why? Because how many x squares are there here? 4. Here 1. 4 plus 1? 5. Okay. 5x square is written as 4x square plus x square minus 4x plus 4. As is only I wrote 5x square is written as 4x square plus 5x square. Okay. Now here 4x square minus x power 4 4x cube plus 4x square. Okay, I want to take the common x square. What is x square? In x power 4, by taking x square, what is the remaining one? X square. Okay. Here, after 4x cube, by taking x square, 4x is there. Why? Because 1 4s are 4, x square into x cube plus 4x out of 4x square is the common. What is the remaining one? 4. Check it once. X square into x power 4 plus into minus x square into 4x cube plus into plus x square into 4x square. Okay. Here I want to common 1. I want to take the common 1. X square, same remaining item, same times 4x plus 4. 1 into x square plus into minus 1 into 4x 1 into 4. Okay, observe, have you take anyone as common expressions? You can see common expressions here. X square minus 4x plus 4. X square minus 4x plus 4 is the common expression. So we can take out the common expressions like x square minus 4x plus 4. Okay, after taking the common expression, what is the remaining one here? X square, here 1. So we got the answer. The factors of x over 4 minus 4x cube plus 5x square minus 4x plus 4. This is this is the given expression. So we have to factorize. So for the factorize, so I take this x power 4 minus 4x cube, but 5x square is written as here 4x square plus x square, total 5x square. Remaining terms are same. Okay. Here first three terms, I take out x square is the common, x square. So x square minus 4x plus 4. Here 1 is the common one. 1 into same x square minus 4x plus 4. So after writing, what is the, you can see one common expressions here. X square minus 4x plus 4 is the common expressions. So after taking the common expression, what is the remaining one here? X square. Here plus 1. This is the factors. So the factors of the given expression is x square minus 4x plus 4 into x square plus 1. This is the problem, right? Okay, next problem. Okay. Fourth one. If a equal to x square plus 2x plus 1, b equal to x square minus x plus 4, then 82 inverse of 82 inverse of 2a plus b. 2a plus b. Okay, a and b are is given, and we have to find the additive inverse of 2a plus b. Okay, problem. Now we have to take the additive inverse. Additive inverse of 2a plus b equal to, additive inverse means we have to take minus 2a minus b, minus 2a minus b, minus 2a minus b is the additive inverse of 2a plus b. 2a plus b. Okay, additive inverse of 1, so additive inverse of 1 minus 1. 82 inverse of 5 minus 1. So 1 plus of minus 1 becomes 0. Okay, when we add both, we got 0. That's right. So we have to take minus value of 82 inverse. Okay, after adding, we got 0. Now minus minus 2 into, right, a1 x square plus 2x plus 1 minus b x square minus x plus 4. Okay, the additive terms of 2a plus b equal to minus 2a minus b. Okay, minus 2 into x square minus 2x square minus into plus minus 4x minus into plus minus 2 minus x minus 3x minus x square minus into minus plus x minus into plus minus 4. Okay, here minus 3x square minus x square minus 2x square minus x square minus 3x square minus 3x square. Okay, minus 4x plus x minus 3x minus 3x minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 minus 6. Okay, you can write it is like minus 3x square minus 3x minus 6. So minus is the common one, and you can write 3 is also common one. Minus 3 is the common one. X square plus x plus 2. Okay, minus 3 into x square plus x plus 2. Why? Because minus 3 into x square minus 3x square minus into plus minus 3 into x 3x minus into plus minus 3 2s are 6. Okay, you can in your options this one is given and this one is also given. So this is multi-correct answers type. You can write this one or this one. So you can write anyone. Okay, A, B are given. We have to find additive inverse of 2a plus b. The additive inverse 2a plus b is minus 2a minus b. So after calculating, substituting, then we have to minus 3 into x square plus x plus 2. Right. Okay, in reasoning type, fifth one, the degree of the polynomial 7x power 5 minus 8x power 6 plus 4x cube plus 7 is 6. Okay, the degree of the polynomial is, okay, 7x power 5 minus 8x power 6 plus 4x cube plus 7. What is the highest degree here? Highest exponential 6. That is the degree of the polynomial. Highest exponent here 6. So that's why that is the degree of the given polynomial. So here statement 2 is the highest power of the terms. The highest power of the term. Here 5. Here 6. Here 3. Highest power is 6. So the highest power of the terms in the polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. So both statements are true. Statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. Okay, students, up to today class up to we have to complete at 5th one. So in the next class we have to complete from 6th onwards. Okay.